Are you looking for the best sous vide machines? Sous vide has moved from a chef-only technique to a mainstream kitchen essential, delivering edge-to-edge doneness with consistent moisture retention. For home cooks, the choice of immersion circulator can dramatically affect precision, ease of use, and reliability. This review compares 5 popular models across a price spectrum, from budget-price contenders to feature-rich premium options, to help readers identify which unit best fits their cooking style.
Product number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide. The third-generation Anova Precision Cooker 3.0 with Wi-Fi represents Anova's effort to combine potent performance with connected convenience. Key features include dual-band Wi-Fi support, a 2-line touchscreen for quick time and temperature checks, a robust 1100W heating element, and a removable stainless steel skirt for easier cleaning. With a 16-liter capacity, it covers typical home cooking volumes, and the device supports app-based control or manual control on the unit itself. The model maintains Anova's reputation for reliable temperature stability and broad compatibility with the Anova app, including a no-cost basic control experience and optional paid content via the app subscription. In practice, the dual-band Wi-Fi improves connectivity in busy home networks, reducing disconnects during longer cooks. The 2-line display simplifies on-device interaction when you're not using the app. Performance-wise, the 1100W heater provides solid heat-up times for most proteins and vegetables, and the 16-liter capacity handles family-style meals or meal prep batches. However, the reliance on the app for full feature access, including guided recipes and history, means some users may... Product number 2. Sous vide machines. The VCOC Direct model targets value with a 1000-watt immersion circulator and a wide temperature range of 77.0 to 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 25 to 92.5 degrees Celsius, plus a generous 99-hour timer. It emphasizes precise control and steady 360-degree water circulation, with its red-green-blue indicator system to convey status. This unit is designed to be budget-friendly while still offering a full sous vide experience, suitable for proteins, vegetables, and even defrosting tasks in larger containers up to 15 liters. In day-to-day use, the VCOC Direct delivers reliable, straightforward performance for home cooks who want consistent results without the premium price. The broad temperature range covers most culinary needs, and the 360-degree circulation supports even cooking. The main trade-off at this price point is build material and long-term durability. While stainless steel construction is good, the overall heft and finish may not feel as premium as higher-priced units. The control...
Product number 3. Sous Vide Cooker. The Cattleman Cuisine 1000-watt model positions itself as a user-friendly, all-in-one sous vide option with a 68 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 90 degrees Celsius range, a 0 to 72-hour timer, and a 4 to 16-liter adjustable container compatibility. It emphasizes a 3D water circulation technology for uniform heating and includes a dedicated storage bag for portability. The LED display and responsive touch controls are designed for straightforward operation, with a focus on accessibility for beginners and casual home cooks. In practice, this unit caters to households that want an easy-to-use, compact, and portable sous vide solution without sacrificing essential performance. The 68 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit range covers most proteins and vegetables, though some enthusiast cooks may seek higher temps for certain searing or finishing tasks. The included storage bag is a nice bonus for organization, and the 4 to 16-liter clamp range makes it adaptable to different pots. However, the device has...
Product number 4. Anova Culinary Sous Vide. The Anova Nano 2.0 is a compact, sub-13-inch device designed for tight spaces, boasting an 800-watt heater, temperature range of 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 92 degrees Celsius, and a plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy. It uses app control as its primary interface and is designed to mount easily to most pots with a fixed clamp.
This model prioritizes portability and simplicity, making it ideal for small kitchens, students, or quick weeknight meals where space is at a premium. In practical terms, the Nano 2.0 delivers reliable precision in a small footprint, with the app offering recipes, history, and guided cooking options, though with fewer features than higher-end Innova Pro models. The compact form factor reduces countertop clutter, but can limit batch size due to smaller container compatibility. Noise levels are typically low, but users seeking hand-on, tactile controls may miss.
Product number 5. Innova Culinary Sous Vide. The Innova Precision Cooker Pro represents the premium tier in this lineup, with 1200 watts of heating power, a rugged stainless steel build, IPX7 rating, and the ability to handle up to 100 liters of water when used in a covered container. It's designed for serious home cooks and small pro-style kitchens, delivering high performance, durability, and a more industrial-grade feel. Control can be manual on the unit or via the Innova app, and the Pro emphasizes long-term reliability with a tested 10,000-hour minimum runtime. In practice, the Pro excels in heavy-use scenarios, large batches, tougher proteins, and long, unattended cooks. The IPX7 rating provides water immersion protection, and the rugged stainless steel exterior can withstand more demanding environments. The higher wattage translates to faster heat up and quicker recovery after temperature adjustments, which matters for thicker cuts or batch cooking.